Hey, honey, what drawer do we keep the cat in?
Bottom right.
Oh, there she is.
Zakaya, are you supposed to be on the bed?
Are you in the driving seat? Are you? Are you going to take me to see the sheep? Are you? Look at that face. Ooh,
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt your afternoon squirrel patrol. I need to ask you a quick question. How does it feel to be deemed inherently aggressive? Can't be trusted around children, can't be trusted around other dogs, not allowed certain public places. All because of the way that you look. Care to offer a comment?
Imagine getting a dog that is scared of a fly.
Yes. Alright, thank you so much.
People, you can do it. You do.
Сейчас насколько сладко.
Do ba 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 do.
What the fuck? Hey, that's mine. La cola.
No dai! Oh!
Gonna go.
What are you doing?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
Ven, mira. Mira. ¿Quién es? Oh.
Oh, you forgot your toy.
Hey, Nikki. Hey, Nikki.
I think he's embarrassed.
You look so beautiful. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Phoebe, you're next. You're next. You're next.
Yok, en son 16 Nisan'da bir şey yüklemişsiniz. O da belki Meteor diye. Tamam. Bugün yarın tamam. She's chilling in here with me.
Okay, Miso, in the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. You are a Christian now. It's the holy water. Holy water. Holy water. You are a Christian now. That's it.
Yeah, now I'm panicking.
Don't panic.
No, I am, because I'm going to lose.
Start. It sounded like.
I don't freaking really want him up there.
He sounds better than me.
Really? I think we have a problem.
Yeah. I don't want to hear that. Because first of all, how do you know? How do you know that that's true?
Excuse me.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Okay. There's no milk in there, I promise you. Please stop. Ah!
I've become his pillow. This is what I am now.
Oh god.
Emma.
Was that the cat?
Okay.
You ready to go poopies? You ready to take your morning poopers?
This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters. Augustus, calm down. Mommy's got you.
This? I'm just giving him a massage. He's had a rough day at the bakery. Nobody's appreciating the biscuits he's making. We see you.
Be nice. 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 Yes, be nice. Be nice.
What the f is wrong with you? What
because he didn't want his nails clipped.
The thing next to you is a...
Want to keep going? No? Okay, truce. Ah, you...
Ah!
My boy even has, like, the decency to cover himself. Oh.
I can't make this up. I just wanted to do my hair, and I looked up, and she scared the absolute f***ing shit out of me. I screamed like a bitch.
Oh my god.
spoiled brat.
So my cat kept playing with my hair and it was getting really irritating. So I gave her a piece because I'm a mother first.
Who done this?
No.
Oh, what are you? Oh, you're so soft. Oh, you smell nice too.
Hi. I feel like I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead.
Don't be so...
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
Are you serious? Bo! Are you kidding me? Good business? Yeah.
Hey, Bear. What happened? Oh, baby, did you cry?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh.
No. No.
No.
Chin. Oh. Oh. Okay.
No.
Yeah. Wait.